Hi everyone, Miss Mick is here, and I want to talk to you about the Rebus posters, mini posters that you're going to make using Google Docs and images. So first of all, in the attachment, it explains by Ellen Booth Church, author of Learning Things and What's This? Problem-Solving Activities for Young Children. She explains how to use Rebuses in a classroom very elegantly. So I'm reading from her source here to you, okay? So Rebuses are an important tool for beginning reading and writing because children use them to make the connection between concepts and words. A rebus is a picture used with or in place of a word or next to a word. The picture serves as a clue to what the word would represent. There are many ways you can use rebuses. When you make an experience chart or brainstorm a list, you can add simple rebus pictures to illustrate words. Don't worry about your artistic ability. Children will believe your drawings of a car is a car, even if it doesn't look like one to you. However, with technology, you can find images that you can insert pretty easily. Okay, it is good to label things in the classroom with rebuses and things that need to go back on a shelf. And also adding these to your word wall words and encouraging children to write the words under the picture in your writing center. So in her explanation, she shows a couple pictures of corn and the word corn under it, a turkey with the word turkey under it. So the other examples that are listed in your classroom assignment include rebuses such as this. Okay, so I'm going to read the top one with the eyes. We listen with our ears, and it's a picture of two ears, of course, but surely it is true that, and then it shows the eyes and lips and hands and feet can help us listen too. So that's just a little cute way to have a little rule or expectation for listening. So I'm trying to zoom in so you can see those examples. And I will be sending those to you, so you don't have to stress about that now. So those are some examples of a rebus. Here's an example from another teacher that just presented at the NAEYC Ohio Conference in 2021. Miss Rosalind, and she works with Cleveland Head Start in Ohio. And as you can see, she has some descriptions with our feelings, and then she has some images to describe them. So that's another way to use them. Okay, so let me fix my camera there while I'm finishing this up. So then we also have a rubric. So you're making a poster for classroom limits. You should have 3 to 5. There's also an example of classroom rules as well that are using some images, and also of a healthy snack example with using rebus, a rebus chart, which is pictures with the words. So that will be part of the Working with Young Children Chapter 16 assignment, which is you creating your top 3 to 5 limits or expectations for children, or otherwise known as rules. It can be for any area of the classroom or outdoors. Okay, so whatever you're passionate about making a rule poster for, I'm calling it a mini poster because it will be done on Google Docs so that you can print it in color, and then we can laminate it for you to actually use at your internships and that are going to be going on this summer, right? and on into senior year. So the other thing you're going to apply is in chapter 12 and 26. Those are our nutrition chapters. So you have to create a healthy snack recipe using Rebuses. Healthy snack meaning it has to include items that are part of the My Plate or the USDA food pyramid. So fruits, vegetables, dairy, protein, and a little bit of fats. So we got to watch sugar, cookies, candy, cakes, all that kind of stuff. We have to find a way to make a healthy snack that for fun with children. There are a lot of great ideas out there, so make sure you cite your sources. And then you're going to use a rebus, and then you're also going to complete one lesson plan form for that healthy snack. Like, what is it teaching the children about? You know, are they learning measuring? Are they tasting something new? Etc. Putting the pieces together, following a recipe. So you'll have to come up with what developmental skills and what learning objective you want the children to learn or take away from your healthy snack recipe. And I'm going to pause there, and then I will talk about the other assignments in another video.